So try to simplify this problem. So what was given here? Integral 0 to x square root of 1 minus y dash of t whole square into dt equal to integral 0 to x y of t dt. Okay. So this was the problem. So you can, and also some restrictions they gave. X is lying in the interval, closed interval 0 to 3, and y is greater than or equal to 0. That means y belongs to closed 0 to infinity. And also they said y of 0 is 0. And then at x is equal to 2, you need to find this value. That will be the answer on these options. Understood? First understand the question and then we can solve it. What I am doing here, I'm going to use Leibniz rule. Leibniz rule, okay? I will tell you what is Leibniz rule means. If d by dx of integral f of t dt is there and lower function, sometimes numbers they will give. However, I am explaining by taking the functional values like phi of x and the numerator psi of x. Okay, equal to derivative of a integral f of t dt under limits phi of x and psi of x is equal to f of psi of x. That means t value will be replaced by psi of x and psi dash of x. Next, we will differentiate that function and then minus lower limit. Lower limit is f of phi of x and phi dash of x. This is what called Leibniz rule. And here I am applying this Leibniz rule to solve this integral. Then it will be, and also remember y of 0 was 0. So integral 0 to x under root of 1 minus y dash t whole square equal to dt equal to applying the Leibniz rule. So y of x t value will be replaced by upper limit, and you know x derivative is 1. Okay, that is what Leibniz rule says. Minus y of 0 and constant derivative, you know it is 0. Okay, so completely it is vanished. Of course, y of 0 itself is a 0. And in the left side also we will do the same thing. Root of 1 minus y dash of x whole square. Okay, and its derivative. This is function, complete function, and its derivative, x derivative 1 minus lower limit, of course, 0 it is. If you substitute 0 in the place of t, okay, something it will be, but 0 into anything, 0. So y of x. So therefore, we got root of square it on both sides. Then we can remove this square root. 1 minus y dash of x whole square. And dx you can write 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy. Do it integration on both sides to solve this. And this side also write down minus dx equal to 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy. Do it under integral. This is what x equal to, 1 by root of 1 minus y square. What is the formula for that? Sine inverse y. And here minus x is equal to, it is always positive. So y value will be sin x. You can write sin x. Okay. And if you differentiate, because what we needed, take a look at the problem. The question says at x is equal to 2, y double dash y and 1 equal to how much? At x is equal to 2. So let's calculate y dash. Y dash is equal to cos x. So copy the problem. What is the problem here? Y double dash plus y plus 1. Y double dash equal to how much? At x is equal to 2, they are asking. Okay, no problem. Y double dash is minus sin x. Y is sin x and plus 1. Of course, these two things got cancelled. The final answer is 1 for this one. Okay, so which option is correct?